Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can simply download a Facebook video. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is let's just find some Facebook video right here. And I own this one here, right? Copy link. And when you're going to copy the link, you need to go to Google Chrome. Then write in Google, download Facebook video. Nice. And you get fwid.com, and I'm going to paste the video here. And you can download HD quality or normal quality. And right, it's going to load like this. And you just need to hold the video and download video. And voila, it's going to download. You got 10 megabytes, so we need to wait for a while. And then I can simply play it. So again, you are in a page, let me show you, getfwid.com, or choose any other page, doesn't matter. Then click download in normal quality. And download video. So this is pretty much it, how we do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you and provide some guidance. Let's see. Let's wait until it's going to download. I will check something out. So this is how pretty much you do it. It's not that hard, right? And yeah, if you find this video useful, guys, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for it. You know how it goes, you know how it is, and okay, let's see. And as you can see, it's downloaded. So yeah, see ya.